In this video, we will go more deep on how JavaScript will work. I have a code snippet. Using that, we'll try to understand how JavaScript will work in the execution context. So as you know, whenever JavaScript will start compilation in global execution context, two blocks will be automatically created. One is the memory block known as variable environment. Another is the code. This is also known as the thread of execution. Okay, so this complete block is a global execution context. This is a memory creation, and this is the code execution phase. Everything will created in the call stack. This is the special thing in JavaScript. Without this, JavaScript is nothing. So everything is created inside the call stack. How we will see. So let's see. I have a code example. I have a variable. I need to submit 2, and I'm calling this function 2 times. Okay, and storing those in the sum1 and sum2 variables. Now see, the compilation will start from top to bottom. As you know, JavaScript is synchronous and single threaded, so the compilation will be happen line by line only. So in the first time, in the memory creation time, okay, for the variable n equal to 12, it will be created a memory for n, and there is a one value, special value is undefined assigned to this n. Still this code is not run yet. This is in the compilation phase only. Okay, so this is first phase is memory creation. So n will be assigned with the undefined value, that is the special value. Okay, this function will be not run exactly. It will be just reading this and keeping this as it is. Okay, so I have function sum. This will be as it is in the memory phase for the sum. This is happening why we'll see later. Okay, but yeah, for now just try to understand. For variable, this will be created as undefined. The memory is created with the undefined, but with the function whole the function code, this line of code will be stored here in the memory. If I will go in the next, for the sum1, this is also calling to this function and some value will be storing here. Okay, so this will be also going with the special value undefined. Same for sum2, it's also undefined. Now next phase, code execution. Exactly, the code execution phase will be started here. In the code execution flow, okay, what will happen? First time, this where n equal to 12 will be running here. Now after this function we have, so this is already in memory, so it won't run. Okay, so in the case of the flow will be going here, function will be created as it is. Now where n equal to 12, so this n equal to 12 will be replaced here. The value of n will be replaced by 12 in the code execution phase. Now after doing this, this function is not yet ran. Okay, because we haven't called this function. So what will happen? Flow will be going to the next line, that is the variable sum1 that is called to that function. Okay, in this case what will happen? This will call to this function. Okay, now what is happening here? You can see for this function again one global execution context will be created. And what is this global execution context? This is for the sum1 only. Okay, the another global execution context will be created only for this function. So this is the function is the heart of JavaScript. So in the case of function, this is happening. Another global execution context is created and the answer value is going as a undefined here. Now in the next case, what will happen? In the call stack, execution context for sum1 is pushed here. This global execution context will be pushed into the call stack. Then what next? Same, the memory and code is created here. For the answer, the value is now undefined, but in the memory creation phase only, memory will be created for this function also, for this answer also. Now in the code execution phase, what will happen? In the code execution phase, this answer will be replaced with the 12 will be passed here. 12 plus 2, 14. Okay, so answer will be 14 here, and now this value will be returned to this sum1. So where it called, it will return the value to this. Now in the next, what will happen? The task of this is done. Now what will happen? This execution context for the sum1 will be popped here. This will be deleted. Once the task will be finished, this will be popped here, as well as this global execution context will be also deleted. Now in the next case, what is happening? This again calling to the sum2 with the value 2. So what will happen? Again what global execution context created for the sum2. So this will be calling here. Again global execution context will be called here. It will be going to push here in the call stack again, and you can see it pushed to the call stack. Okay, now what happened? This will be calculated again. So 2 plus 2, 4. Now 4 will return to this sum2 again. In this case, once the task done, this global execution context will be deleted, as well as this will be deleted from here also. It already deleted. This will be also deleted here. At the very end, this deleted, this is deleted. Okay, at the very end, the whole global execution context will be also deleted, and it will be printed your output. Okay, so that is the thing. Okay, and this is just the diagrammatic flow. Okay, we'll show you the example doing the code in the exactly how it work. I will do the code in the in the VS Code, and I will show you the output also, how it will be stored in the browser call stack, that I will show you that also.